How to add story from gallery on Snapchat. If you also want to know how you can add stories directly from your gallery or the phone storage, then you can keep watching this video. But before you get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more upcoming videos. Firstly, open up your Snapchat app. Now you cannot post your stories from your gallery if you try to post it from this section. You can see that there is no option to post the stories from your gallery through this section. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your camera roll section. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to come over to the snap section and then tap on this icon. Now here you'll see options such as snaps or camera roll. Now to add from your gallery, you can tap on camera roll and simply select the video or the photo that you want to add to your story. After you tap the video or the photo, it will be automatically added, and now you see a section of story. You can simply tap on that and tap on add, and here it says added to story. Now if you head back, you can see that the story has been added. So you don't want to add stories from this section, you want to go to the second way, and that way you can easily add stories from your gallery. So I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. This way we'll know that you like our videos and we can post more videos similar to this.